Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 120V welders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the HPOO 200A Stick Welder. This mini portable welding machine is a great option for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. With a current range of 20 to 200A, it's versatile enough to handle metals like cast iron and mild steel within a thickness range of 0.06 to 0.2 inches. One of its standout features is its lightweight design. It weighs just 3.7 pounds and is extremely compact, making it one of the most portable welders on this list. The HPOO welder features advanced digital IGBT inverter technology, which ensures smooth arc stability, deeper penetration, and reduced spatter. It also comes equipped with hot start, arc force, and anti-stick functions, which help beginners achieve better results while reducing the frustration of stuck electrodes. Additionally, the package includes 20 welding rods, 2 chip hammers, and a pair of welding gloves. So you're ready to start welding right out of the box. However, while it's a solid choice for light-duty work and portability, it's not ideal for more demanding projects or heavy-duty welding. Its compact design is both a strength and a limitation. If you're looking for a highly portable welder for occasional use, the HPOO is a strong contender. But for more robust applications, you may want to consider other options on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the Hone Stick Welder, which boasts a dual voltage capability, 110 volts to 220 volts, and a maximum output of 140 amps. This welder is equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. It's designed to handle a wide variety of welding rods, including the popular AWS E6013 and 7018 rods, making it versatile for different materials like mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. The Hone welder features a digital LCD display, which provides real-time feedback on current settings, making it beginner-friendly. Its hot start and anti-stick functionalities make arc striking easy and minimize electrode sticking, ensuring a smoother welding experience. The compact design, coupled with a carrying handle, adds to its portability, making it a great option for on-the-go projects. Safety features like overheat, overcurrent, and overvoltage protection provide added peace of mind. While the Hone welder offers a solid blend of performance and portability, its 140 amp output may not be sufficient for heavier duty tasks. However, for home repairs, hobby projects, and light commercial use, it provides excellent value. If you're looking for a reliable, mid-range stick welder, this one's worth considering. At number 3, we have the YESWELDER 205 amp Stick Welder. This powerful machine supports both 110 volts and 220 volts inputs, making it versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. With a maximum output of 205 amps and support for rods like 610, 611, and 718, this welder delivers robust performance even in demanding scenarios. The adjustable hot start and arc force settings make it easy to strike and maintain a stable arc, even for beginners. One of the standout features of this welder is its large LED display, which provides clear and precise information about current and mode settings. At just under 8.4 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, yet its build quality feels solid and durable. Safety-wise, the YESWELDER 205 amp includes automatic compensation for voltage fluctuations and protection against overcurrent and overheating, ensuring a safe experience. While its performance is impressive, the lack of additional accessories, like welding gloves or rods, means you'll need to make some extra purchases before getting started. That said, its overall versatility and performance make it a great choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. In second place, we have the GUOZHI 145A MIG Welder, a 3-in-1 welding machine capable of handling MIG, lift-TIG, and arc welding processes. This versatile unit is designed with synergic control, automatically adjusting voltage and wire feed speed based on the selected amperage. The large LCD display makes it easy to monitor and adjust settings, catering to both beginners and seasoned welders. This welder can handle 0.403 inches and 0.035 inches flux core wire and is suitable for rods up to 1/8 inch in diameter. The lightweight design, at just over 15 pounds, makes it portable, yet its sturdy build ensures durability during extended use. Safety features like overheat, overcurrent, and overload protection make it a reliable and secure option for a variety of projects. However, while the GUOZHI offers great versatility and ease of use, you'll need to purchase a TIG torch separately if you want to use the TIG function. Still, this welder is a fantastic all-around machine for anyone looking for a multi-process welder that doesn't break the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the YESWELDER 135 amp MIG Welder, a 3-in-1 machine that combines MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. This welder is perfect for anyone looking for versatility and performance in one compact package. The synergic control system takes the guesswork out of welding by automatically adjusting voltage based on wire feed speed, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. With a robust 135 amp output, this welder handles mild steel up to 2/5 inches thick and supports both 0.030 inches and 0.035 inches flux core wires. The large digital display provides real-time feedback, enhancing the user experience. Weighing just 11.4 pounds, it's highly portable and includes an extra spool of E71TGS flux core welding wire, so you're ready to weld right out of the box. Safety features like automatic voltage compensation and overcurrent protection add to its appeal. The YESWELDER 135 amp is an excellent option for DIYers, small-scale professionals, and hobbyists. Its combination of features, portability, and ease of use make it the best overall choice on this list. If you're looking for a dependable, multi-process welder, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.